Accessing and customizing the equalizer on the Galaxy S24 allows you to fine-tune the audio settings for a personalized listening experience based on your sound preferences. To begin, tap the Home button to return to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down and select Sounds and Vibration. Then, continue scrolling down and tap on Sound Quality and Effects. Now, tap on Equalizer. Here, select Custom from the list. In this section, you can fine-tune your equalizer settings by adjusting the sliders to your preference. Everyone has different sound preferences, so feel free to customize it however you like. Just make a few adjustments here to achieve a balanced sound. Once you've set it up, tap the back button, play a song, and listen to how it sounds. If you're not satisfied, you can always come back and tweak the settings again. Finally, tap the Home button to return to the home screen. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.